Good morning, everyone. Hope you had a good weekend. It's AJDayTradr, and I'm going to be taking you through the daily analysis that you should be doing every morning. It's Monday, the 20th of March. Let's start with the euro, as always. As expected on Friday, we came off. The Friday sell-off resulted in a bearish day. Still waiting to see if we fully retrace. But I think if we could see some price action towards 107.20. That'd be a great move to get it, great area to get in for a move upwards on a continuation of that bullish move. So with the pound, we're at the top of this flag formation. This is quite a messy area to get into. Lots of recent congestion, price action in this in this rectangle. We could see some fake breaks. However, we are coming up towards a rejection zone as well. So we could well see this price come off towards 120 1.23. The Aussie looks very strong. We've had a big move since this time a week ago. We have retraced on the hourly too, and I wouldn't be surprised if we get up towards 1078. However, we do have to break through this daily trend line that's held a few times, so we will keep an eye on this and not enter yet. Just wait for this to break and then retest, and then try and get a good move upwards towards 1078 and beyond. So the Kiwi, we've seen a big move since the FOMC meeting. However, it still remains one of the weakest currencies. We've had a nice uh, bottoming out of the price action on the hourly. I like this sort of double bottom, triple bottom for a move upwards. I think we do complete this D. However, at that point, we would have retraced fully on the daily, and the 200 EMA comes into play. We could well see the price continue on this bearish move down in the long term towards 0.66. So dollar CAD's been not so nice to trade it recently. So we've recently had a price action break of a previous trend line and a retest. So this wouldn't be a bad position to be getting in short. However, we've had so much price congestion on the daily uh, around this area that it would be hard to find a high probability trade in this position. So we'll move on, find a better opportunity in a market that's a little bit kinder to us. So with the yen, we're towards the bottom of the range, and the range that we've been in for the last few months, and we're in a rejection zone also. So we would have to assume that if the 127 is going to hold, that we're preparing for a move back up to 114. However, a break of this 127 extension would open up a move towards 111.50 and towards the lows of this range. Could even break out if the dollar weakness is going to sustain for longer. So that's my analysis of the majors today. Would be great to hear some opinions, and as always, like and subscribe. I'll be releasing these every morning, so you can just listen to it, even if you're just doing some of your own. It would be good to get a different opinion. And so thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you tomorrow.